Hi, my name's Tim Boyden. Welcome to 6 Mills Brewing Company. Today we're going to answer a question about the Pico eBIAB controller. The question was raised on whether you could manually control the boil rate of the controller. So what we have going on right now is we have a 15-gallon brew pot currently boiling a pot of water, about 5 gallons. We have the current set point. If we look at the PC software application, you can see that we have the target temp or the set point at 212 degrees and the current temperature is 208 degrees. What we've done in the software is we've gone ahead and we've set the brew mode to manual. We've started this step at maintain boil, which will keep it at our set point temperature. You can currently see that the heater power is at about a little over 75%. And you can see on the graph, basically this keeps track of the temperature over a period of time. So you can see that we start off at around 68 degrees and we've gone all the way up to 208 degrees. This has occurred over probably about 15 minutes. Looking at the controller, the touchscreen controller itself, we can see the same information. At the top right, you can see that we are on manual brew mode. You can see the heater power bar, and you can see our current temperature and our target temps. So what the picoBrew allows you to do to control the boil rate in manual mode is you have two options. You can, and both are basically toggle the set point temperature. That's how the controller determines what power to operate the element at. So what I'll do now, we'll try to show you the boiling pot of water. It's kind of steamy, so you're not going to be able to see much, I don't think. No, we won't. At any rate, so it's having the boil of water. What we're going to do is we're going to basically turn off the element, and we'll do that by pressing the down key or the negative key, and we'll see that will reduce the set point temperature. So we'll set this down around 200. To confirm that setting, we'll hit the start button, and you'll notice the heater power immediately decreases, and you'll see that the rate of boil has decreased to nothing, as you can now see the water in the pot, whereas before it was just steam. And if you look at the PC software, you can see that the controller updated the PC software to the same settings. And to raise the temperature back to a boil using the PC software, you can double click in the target temp box, and then you're prompted for the temperature to set. We can set this back to 212 and click OK. And we'll see the temperature go back up to 212. The set point go back up to 212. The power bar is again increased to 100%. And if we go back to the pot, we can see again immediately the water has started to boil again. Steam rising. We go back to the controller, and you can see that it is updated to the same settings. So back up to 212 degrees. So essentially that is how you manually control the boil rate using the Pico eBrew controller. Again, it's based on temperature readings. In my case, I am using a thermal well in the side of my pot with the thermocoupling that comes with the picoBrew. What you can do, you can install a thermal well in all. If you're using multiple pots, you can install a thermal well in all of your pots. You can easily move the temperature probe from pot to pot, and that will allow you to control multiple pots and keep it within a degree or so of the actual temperature of the water. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you, and good luck with your brewing.